How to create a TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own TikTok account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're here to watch fun videos, share your creativity, or go viral, getting started on TikTok is super simple. Let's dive in. First, download the TikTok app from App Store or Play Store. Open your app and you'll be redirected to the login page. Now that you are on the login page, find Don't Have an Account Sign Up option at the very bottom. Tap on it. You have a few different ways to create an account: using your phone number or email, signing in with Google or Facebook. If you use your phone or email, TikTok will send you a verification code. Just enter that and you're good to go. After verifying yourself through phone, email, Google, or Facebook, enter your birthday, add your nickname and username, and voila, your account is set up. That's it. You now have a TikTok account. Swipe up to watch videos, follow your favorite creators, and when you're ready, tap the plus button and create your own TikTok. Have fun and get creative. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you're excited to make on TikTok.